It appears that XRP has finally found some footing north of 45 cents on this last move. But a lot of you are wondering out there, hey, XRP, when moon? Well, if you want to go to the moon, you need fuel. And that's what we're going to talk about in this episode, fuel for moon potential. Is it there in the crypto market? Is it there for XRP? Let's get into it. Now, a few of you out there are going to remember the intro I did a few days ago where I said, hey, guess what? My bet is the Shapella upgrade. Yep, that pump won't last. We'll get into it. And I've got some really crazy things to show you coming up here soon. Bitcoin sitting at 27,786. We needed to get to 28 here real quick. ETH 1883. XRP, like I said, found some footing on the last move north of 45, sitting at 47.1. Saw some good movement overnight while I was getting some rest. XLM sitting at 9.4, again a laggard in the market. Crypto lending protocol failed to halt operations following $700,000 exploit. It's not the fact that it's a $700,000 exploit, it's the fact that how many times are you hearing about exploits in crypto versus exploits in stock markets, exploits in banks and so forth. Dude, it is all over in crypto. And again, if you want a moon, you need fuel. Fuel is money, money is confidence. You're not going to have confidence when you have hacks and exploits like this happening all the time. In fact, we know because you've been watching this channel, and if you haven't, you're new, hit that subscribe button because you're probably going to like the content here. Hacks and schemes have resulted in billions and billions of dollars of loss within each country. So yes, until we fix the hacks and exploits, there are going to be some people on the sidelines with money, fuel to moon, that will not be getting into crypto until we get this stuff fixed. Here is that explanation from Filda regarding their exploit statement. As always, any article you see in this video will be linked in the description below. Ready? Fuel for moon. That's what we're talking about here. You got a lot of hopium in the market, but let's get realistic and let's see, how do we get the fuel? Web3 funding plunges by 82% in Q1 of 2023. Hard to go to the moon if you don't have venture capital money, which is some of the most riskiest investments out there in Web3 products. Really, really tough to build and expand if funding is cut by what, everyone? 82%. According to a report from Crunchbase, venture funding has plummeted from $9.1 billion in 2022 to $1.7 billion in 2023. This represents an 82% decline from the year over year and shows investors are bearish towards investing in Web3 projects. Again, moon, fuel, money, confidence. If these investors are bearish, if they've been hacked, if they've been burned, if there's been scams, if there's been products that have been totally turned out to be pieces of crap that they invested in, they're going to be more hesitant getting back into crypto. 2 days ago, I did a story about the Ontario Teachers Pension Plan, OTPP. Yep, I said it right. They were a massive, massive pension plan, and they got burned with FTX. They recently came out with a statement that said, hey, look, we're not touching crypto anytime soon. It's too risky. There's too much that can go on. There's not enough disclosures. We can't touch it. So now you've got big pension funds out there saying, hey, we don't want to get into crypto. You also have venture capital pulling their money back by 82% saying, hey, we don't want to get into crypto. When moon, you need fuel. I don't see too much fuel going on, do you? What about this? Rekt jumps 90%, topping off the week in meme coin pumps. I'm not here to talk about Rekt or any other meme token specifically, but here's what I want you to think about. These pumps do not last. And what happens is you've got a bunch of investors, and remember, it's not just people here in the United States, it's all over the world that watch this channel. A lot of investors are seeing other tickers out there, other symbols going, whoa, they're up 20, 30, 40%, but hey, my XRP is only up like 2%. What is going on? Anyways, the more that people see this, the more they're like, hey, other projects are making it. Maybe I should go into that. And it just makes a whole mess out of things. These pumps, though, do not last. Do you remember a few days ago when I said, hey, Shapella upgrade is not going to keep Ethereum high price-wise? And a bunch of you in the comments lit me on fire. Said, Klaus, you're an idiot. You have no idea what you're talking about. Shapella upgrade and Ethereum is going to hold and we're going to rally from here. Oh. Shapella upgrade pump, and we come back down to where we were before the Shapella upgrade pump. I've said it time and time again. The market right now is controlled by bots, and bots playing the swings. This is not a hodl market to make money, in my opinion. And again, it's not just my opinion, it's the stories and data that I'm showing you. Check it out though. Shapella upgrade, right? Pumped Ethereum way up there, 2,100. We had a couple days where we were rolling at 2,100 and boom goes the dynamite. Went all the way back down to where it was before. What about Doge? I said the same thing about Doge, and you guys lit me on fire in the comments. Shoot, Klaus, you're a freaking moron. Doge is going to go to the moon now. Remember, this had to do with Elon putting the Doge doggy up there, right? For the Twitter logo. And I said in a video a few weeks ago, I said, hey, this ain't going to last. There's no way this is going to last. This is one of Elon's tricks. Well, here's the pump. Here's the crash. Pump crash. Long story short, look at that. The price of Doge is where it was before the pump. Again, botted out, traded out, hodl not working, people taking profits on the swings. What about XRP? Holy crap, it looks the same. Yes, everyone. The market right now is not to the moon. The market right now is playing the swings. Look at XRP's move on up. And we saw a lot of us were like, yo, we might make it to 60 cents. We not only made it to 58 cents, but we dropped all the way back on down to 44.2 within a couple of weeks. Now, if you look at XRP price action is right before it was where the pump happened. Bad English, but you get my point. Bots are trading the market and they're trading the swings. So when people are out there asking, hey, when moon? Well, when more confidence in the market happens, when less exploits happen. When moon? When Web3 funding starts increasing from venture capitalists, who are the risky investor groups out there. When moon? Well, when meme coins don't steal the thunder from other projects that actually have utility. When moon? Well, when bots out there let things move and don't suppress it and sell it off after. When moon? Well, when the Elons of the world quit pumping and dumping this stuff out there. I've said it time and time again. The market is not holding. There is too much volatility going on. There is too much uncertainty going on. Still way too many hacks and exploits. And again, it's going to be very hard for the market to move if we're still chewing through bankruptcies. Yes, you haven't heard about that for a while, have you? It doesn't mean the bankruptcies are over or that they finalized them. No, these things take time. So the billions and billions of crypto locked up in Celsius, 3AC, blah, blah, all those companies out there, FTX and so forth, that all has to be gone through. We still have to figure out that mess. There's still going to be things there that are going to be liquidated to get money to the creditors that are right now in line for it. So no, you can't have when moon when all that's happening. You also can't have when moon when Jerome Powell and the Fed are expected to raise rates even further, making money more expensive. How much more are home loans, car loans, credit cards, and so forth? So if you want moon, we got to have a lot of things change here to make that happen. My thinking is even with the court case, you're not going to get a big moon. If we go by previous action, and again, not predicting the future, but like I said, the market's been popping and dropping. My expectation with XRP with the court case would be this. If we get good news regarding XRP, we pop and then we drop on back down, go back to our normal line. Prove me wrong? Well, it'll happen when we get resolution from Judge Torres, hopefully coming up here any day now. Now, outside of crypto, I do a lot of hardcore training. By the way, I got myself a Garmin Phoenix. I'm going to be sharing that along with Fitbit, comparing the two to see which I like best. If you want to check out that channel and my cool workout stuff, that's this right here. You want crypto and Web3 action because you love it? Got your back. That's this video right here. Now, until more news breaks, I'm going to keep looking for fuel sources for when moon. I'm also going to be slamming some pre-burn. I've got a really long run today. So until then, you cool cats, have a great rest of your day.